Hi guys, I'm Zena. I'm the editorial director here at Hum Nutrition, and I'm here to do our monthly unboxing with you. So our box that is shipping out to all of our vitamin subscribers is this beautiful tie-dye colorful box. We like to change the box that your vitamins come in every month just to keep things interesting, to give you a different theme to think about and celebrate. And this month our theme is Live Colorfully. So you can see we've done a very colorful box. And inside you get a nice quote in here. It says, "Life is an art, live yours in color." Such great advice. And color really is, as I don't know if you've noticed, a really big part of the Hum brand. So all of our bottles come in these really vivid, bright colors. We wanted to make them something that would be beautiful to have out on your bathroom counter or on your shelf. And it helps you just kind of remember to take your vitamins when you see them out all the time, when they're not hidden away in a drawer. So we wanted to celebrate the color of the brand and just that positivity and fun it brings. And that is our theme this month. You're also getting, as your little gift, that we include something different every month, this sheet of magnets of little miniature Hum bottles, which I love. These are definitely going on my fridge proudly. So you'll get that as another reminder, just to, you know, a little healthy habit that you give yourself. And we have a pamphlet here that has some of our customer photos. We love seeing you guys tagging us at Hum Nutrition on social so we can see how you're taking your vitamins. And then inside we did this fun thing that's just what your favorite color says about you. So mine, for instance, I'm kind of a blue girl, I'd say. This is just like fun personality traits about people who prefer blue. According to the internet, mostly. But it says, "Blue, you are thoughtful, introspective, and love to learn. You'll benefit from tidy surroundings and a regular meditation practice." And I do really kind of feel like that's true. So if you get yours, read what your favorite color says about you. Let us know if it reads true for you, if it gives you something to think about incorporating for the new year. And that's it, guys. We'll be back next month with a new box theme. Comment below if you have any suggestions on what it should be. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Follow us for more updates. Bye. Do I have anything in my teeth? My hair is a mess.